I'm going to walk you through how to register for a META PowerSchool team training or workday. So I'm here in my browser and I'm going to go out to the Meta Solutions website, metasolutions.net, and we have an event calendar here. And if you attend more than one of our training, I would advise you to go ahead and bookmark this page here. That would be, to get you there a little quicker next time. So once you're on the calendar, filter by department will allow you to look at only certain teams' events. And since we're talking PowerSchool today, I am going to click on PowerSchool and I'm going to get rid of all of the other teams' trainings and only see the PowerSchool team events. So as you can see, we have several trainings on our calendar per month and various work days on different subjects. So we're going to go down and I'm going to show you two examples of registering for an event. I'm going to show you why. There's two different ways this might look on your end when you're registering for one of our events. So I'll start with going to our PowerSchool 101 Q&A session here at the end of the month, which is set up like a typical training. There's unlimited tickets, so to speak, and any of our customers can register. So we're going to go click here to register to attend. And you might see this. You'll see a description and a register. I'm going to click on register and I'm going to go ahead and enter my information and keep it real brief for the purpose of the demonstration here. And I'm going to say I've read and I would click register. So once I click register, that will initiate an email to your email address that you used with a link to the training. And that's one way that our trainings will look to register for, and that's one way it'll happen. So I want to show you that example. I'm going to back up to our calendar and show you a different example now. So from our same calendar, I'm going to jump out to later in the year, and I'm looking at a Power Scheduler workday. The reason I wanted to show you this type of event is that these are appointment based, is what I call them. They're timed throughout the day on how many customers we can work with at one time on our virtual event. So that's why this one's going to look a little bit different to you. So I will click on the workday that I want to go to. I also wanted to show you this one because it's a good example of something you might see on some of these trainings. If we feel like a past training or video that we have on our YouTube channel may be relevant to you for this training you're about to sign up for, we may put a link, embed a link to our one of our YouTube training videos on there, and you can watch it right from this screen, or you can watch on YouTube. And you'll also see a description, just like before. And I'm going to scroll down, and this is where it looks a little bit different. So you'll see this on general trainings, as well as these timed appointment type trainings that I called them earlier. And in this example, I am going to go ahead and click on the plus button because I want to claim this last spot. I want to get that 9 a.m. appointment with the Meta Power Scheduler team. And once I do so, I have this get tickets activated down here. I'm going to click on there. I am going to put in my name, my email, and my building name. We do require that's helpful for us to know when we're working with you. And I'm going to click on checkout now. And you will notice there's a confirmation screen from this page. So it does give you that notification you're almost done. Please check your information. And once I click get tickets, then it says that it's going to send an email to this email address. It provides you a PDF ticket with the Zoom or Microsoft Teams link in that ticket. I can get it here or again in my email right now. So one last thing I want to show you is what it looks like when when our spots are all quote unquote sold out, right? So we're full for those appointment-based trainings. And so this is going to look a little bit different this time. I will go back to our Power Scheduler Workday example. And now since someone has claimed that last spot, they're all sold out. And therefore, we do have this new functionality that we didn't have with our old system, and that is to get notified when tickets become available. So if one of our customers contacts us, and this is where it's really helpful and important that if you can't make a training, that you do indicate that somehow back to our team. You can put in a case if you know that's probably the best way, and we can take you off the list as soon as you know you're not able to make it. Because what happens is, if you're on the other end of that and you click notify me, you're going to get notified when we cancel a registration for one of these trainings that you want to get into, and then you can click on the link from that notification email and jump in and grab your spot when one opens up. So pretty convenient. And there's going to be a step sheet, and that's found in our documentation. So we have screenshots in that document. Look for the sign up for a META PowerSchool training document in your documentation for a refresher. It's just a quick, I think, 5-step document showing you exactly what I just showed you. Thanks.